Good morning students, how are you? Welcome to the Maths Class 6 Chapter 4 Basic Geometry Concepts Part 5. Today we will study about angle. What is an angle? An angle is a figure formed by two rays having the same initial point. In the given figure, rays OA and OB having the same initial point O form an angle denoted by angle AOB or angle BOA. Angle AOB is read as angle AOB. The name of the angle is angle AOB or angle BOA or angle O. Angle can be named with three letters as angle AOB, AOB or angle BOA, or with a single letter angle O. But in each case the vertex will be in middle. Angle AOB or angle BOA, O will be in the middle. O is called the vertex of the angle. And arms. Angle have two arms. An angle has two arms. OA and OB are the arms of the angle. Means कि two rays forming the angle are called the arms of the angle. OB is an arm and OA is an arm. Angle has two arms and the initial point of the rays is called vertex of the angle. See, O is the initial point. Ray OB start from O and ray OA also starts from O. So O is called the vertex of the angle. Sometimes an angle is named with the vertex just like this. Angles are also named using numbers 1, 2, 3, ... or small letters A, B, C, etc. In the adjacent figure, angle AOB can be represented as angle 1. This is angle AOB or angle BOA. It can also be represented with angle 1. And angle BOC can be represented as angle A. Means कि numbers can be used to represent an angle, letters can be used to represent an angle also. Now magnitude of an angle. Magnitude means measurement. It is the amount of rotation which one of the arms undergoes about the vertex to coincide with the other arms. What is magnitude? It is the amount of rotation which one arm undergoes about the vertex to coincide with the other arm. जैसे OB एक आर्म है, अब OB ये घूमते 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 ये रोटेट करते हुए ये दूसरा आर्म्स OA पर अगर पहुंच जाएगा तो इतना डिग्री ये रोटेट किया है ना. जैसे ये 45 डिग्री रोटेट किया. एंगल इज मेजर्ड इन डिग्री. दिस इज द सिंबल फॉर डिग्री. तो एंगल इज मेजर्ड इन डिग्री. तो अमाउंट ऑफ रोटेशन विच वन ऑफ द आर्म अंडरगोज अबाउट द वर्टेक्स टू कोइंसाइड विथ अदर आर्म इज कॉल्ड द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ द एंगल. मीन्स कि एंगल इज द इंक्लिनेशन बिटवीन टू रेज. ये टू रेज है स्टूडेंट्स, ये दोनों रेज के बीच में जो इंक्लिनेशन है मतलब जो झुकाव है उसी को एंगल कहते हैं. ये इंक्लिनेशन जितना बड़ा होते जाएगा उतना एंगल जो का साइज जो है बड़ा होते जाएगा, मीन्स कि इसका मैग्नीट्यूड ज़्यादा होते जाएगा। फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी कैन राइट एंगल ए ओ बी इक्वल टू 45 डिग्री, एंगल पी क्यू आर इक्वल टू 60 डिग्री, एंड एंगल इज मेजर्ड यूजिंग अ प्रोट्रैक्टर। प्रोट्रैक्टर जानते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, जिसको आप लोग चांद कहते हैं। दिस इज अ प्रोट्रैक्टर, दिस इज यूज टू मेजर एन एंगल। Degree measure is done with this protractor. We put the vertex of the angle to coincide with the middle point of the protractor and take the reading. Next, interior of an angle. The region constituted by the points which lie within the arms of an angle is called its interior. Region constituted by points which lie within the arms of the angle. Here arms of the angles are OA and OB, and within OA and OB the region or the points are called points in interior. For example, point P is in its interior. Point P is in the interior of angle AOB or angle BOA. But arms are the rays. You know, arms are the rays. So arms can be extended, means rays can be extended to one direction endlessly. So if we extend the arms of the angle, interior of the angle also extends. Interior of the angle also extends. Since two rays containing the angle extend indefinitely, therefore interior of the angle also extends indefinitely. Next, exterior of an angle. The region constituted by the points which lie outside the arms of an angle is called its exterior. Region constituted by the points which lie outside the arms. अब देखिए OB and OA arms है, इसके outside में point R है, तो point R is in the exterior of the angle. ये एंगल के एक्सटीरियर में है, बाहर में है. तो ऑल द पॉइंट्स आउटसाइड द आर्म्स आर कॉल्ड एक्सटीरियर ऑफ द एंगल, and the point in the exterior is called point in the exterior of the angle. On the angle, points Q and the vertex O lies on the arms of the angle. Point Q lies on the arm of the angle. Point O is also on the arms. So this is called on the angle. Point Q and point O are on the angle. Now we will see example 10 and example 11. Example 10. Name the angles in the given figure. This is the given figure. You have to name the angle. The angle in the given figure are angle ABC. This is angle ABC. This angle is named as angle BCA. This is the symbol for angle, students. You will remember, this is the symbol. In short form, we will write angle ABC, angle BCA. Instead of a spelling, we put the symbol. This is read as angle, and this angle is named as angle CAB. This is angle CAB. We can name it also angle BAC. CAB and angle BAC are same angle. Example number 11. In the given diagram, name the points. Number A. In the interior of angle DOE. अब देखिए एंगल DOE है, इसके इंटीरियर में कौन कौन सा पॉइंट्स है. तो देखिए पॉइंट A एंड पॉइंट G. are in the interior of angle DOE. एंगल DOE के अंदर में है, ये एंगुलर रीजन में है, तो ये इंटीरियर हो गया। क्वेश्चन नंबर बी, इन द एक्सटीरियर ऑफ एंगल EOF। अब एंगल EOF, दिस इज एंगल EOF। इन द एक्सटीरियर ऑफ एंगल EOF, पॉइंट्स C, पॉइंट्स A, point G and point D are in the exterior of angle EOF। देखिए एंगल EOF अगर ये होगा स्टूडेंट्स, तो EOF के बाहर ये इस एंगल के इंटीरियर में है, ये दोनों पॉइंट AGD, लेकिन इस एंगल के बाहर में है, एक्सटीरियर में है, एंगल EOF के एक्सटीरियर में है। पॉइंट A और G एंगल DOE के इंटीरियर में है, लेकिन एंगल EOF के एक्सटीरियर में हो जाएगा स्टूडेंट्स। सो C, A, G and D are in the exterior of angle EOF. And question number C, points on EOF, angle EOF के ऊपर, मतलब ऑन EOF कौन सा पॉइंट्स है स्टूडेंट्स, तो एंगल EOF पर पॉइंट्स है E, पॉइंट्स B, पॉइंट्स O and points F. These 4 points lie on angle EOF. So answer is points E, point B, point O and point F. So this much for today. If you like this video series, please do subscribe my YouTube channel by pressing the red triangular button. Thank you.